In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation. Automation's basic. Automations let your board handle repetitive work for you so nothing slips through the cracks. Think of them as simple, reliable rules. When something happens, the system reacts for you. We'll walk through setting one up from a template, customize it to fit your workflow, and get it running in just a minute. Start by opening your board. This is the exact place where the automation will live and act, so make sure you're on the correct board for the process you want to streamline. If your organization has multiple boards that look similar, double check the board name and columns before continuing. Also, if you collaborate with a team, confirm you have permission to edit automations on this board. Next, go to the top right and click Automate. This opens the Automation Center where you'll find a library of ready-made templates, sometimes called recipes. These templates are designed to cover common scenarios without any coding, and you can search or browse by category if you're not sure where to start. Choose a template. For this walkthrough, pick the one that says, "When status changes to done, notify someone." This is a classic use case. As soon as a task is completed, the right person gets an alert. Selecting the template will open a configuration panel so you can make it fit your board's exact setup. If your board uses different labels, that's fine. We'll adjust those in the next step. Customize the fields. First, specify which status column the automation should watch, especially if your board has more than one. Then choose the exact value, such as done, that will trigger the rule. Next, decide who should be notified. You can choose a specific person, the person assigned in a people column, or a role like an owner if your setup supports it. Finally, tailor the notification message. Keep it clear and concise, and consider including dynamic details like the item name or the board name if those options are available. This helps the recipient understand at a glance what changed and where. Before proceeding, quickly review your selections to make sure the column, the status value, and the recipient reflect your process. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. Your rule is now active and will run automatically whenever the conditions are met. You'll typically see it listed with an on-off toggle so you can pause it later if needed. That's it. Your board will now notify the right person the moment a task hits done, saving time and keeping everyone aligned.